2 inches long and highly carnivorous. Against a heavily armed hornet and outsized mandibles, she can kill 40 bees in a minute. But it's not the bees she's after. It's their babies, protected by 20,000 dedicated workers. It's too much for one hornet to take on alone, so she marks the bee's fortress with a chemical beacon. In just hours, a gang of these deadly assassins could annihilate the whole hive. Almost. The bees have one last chance at survival and swarm the hornets. Then each bee begins flexing its flight muscles, but when combined, it becomes a formidable force. This glowing bee ball is a precision weapon. Just 1 degree higher would kill the bees. But exactly 117 degrees Fahrenheit is the perfect temperature to cook hornets alive. Both sides suffer casualties.